Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve various Windows Update error messages that you may be experiencing on your Windows computer. And it says that there were some problems installing updates, but we'll try again later. If you keep seeing this and want to search the web or contact support for information, this may help. And then followed by the error codes that I've outlined already in the title and description, such as 0x80070422, 0x80244402F, and so forth. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in troubleshoot. Best match should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, you want to select other troubleshooters. Go ahead and left click on that. And then underneath most frequent, select the Windows Update troubleshooter and the run button that corresponds to it. And then I'd recommend following along with any prompts or suggestions it makes for resolving the problem, and hopefully you should be able to fix it automatically. Something else you can do as well, if you open up the search menu and type in CMD, best match should come back with command prompt. You want to right click on it and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And now into this elevated command line window, type in SFC, then a space /scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully I was able to resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.